Our job site task is to install an overhead branch run between two boxes 150 feet apart. I already compared the work assignment to the box diagrams on the floor, and everything matches up. Let's find the home run box. Point at the box diagram on the floor in front of you and press the trigger. Look up and point out the home run box on the ceiling. Yep, that's it. LA is the panel name, and Circuit 4 is the one coming out of the home run box. Now take a look down the hall towards the 2100 box. The diagram is drawn on the floor over there, and you can see the box installed above it. I already installed threaded rods along the route so that we can support the branch run according to code. See the first one directly above the home run box? Point at the first threaded rod and press the trigger. Yep, there's one every 10 feet after this, and a final rod attached to the 2100 box down the hall. Ready to connect the first piece of conduit to the home run box? Grab the coupling and slide it onto the end of the conduit. Now grab the screwdriver and tighten the right side screw most of the way. Terrific! Grab the conduit from the table. Now lift it and slide the coupling over the home run box stub. Great! I'll hold on to the conduit. Grab the screwdriver. Now, fully tighten the left side screw on the coupling. Excellent. That's good and tight. All right, our first piece of conduit's installed. Let's head to the other end of it. Next, we've got to level and support the conduit. Grab the torpedo level. Put the torpedo level on the underside of the conduit. Let me hold the conduit level so you can attach the clip. Grab the overhead conduit clip. Press and hold the trigger to squeeze it. Now position it around the conduit and rod, right where mine is, and release. Good! The conduit's level and the support's attached. For a 150-foot run, we're going to need 15 pieces of conduit total. I'm going to install 9 of those now. Ready? Here goes. Take a look down the hallway. We've got the branch run to 100 feet. Let's head over. Back to the branch run. The NEC requires an additional component every 100 feet. This is a condulet, also known as a C-type conduit body. This opening on the condulet allows you to access the interior of the branch conduit, for example, to pull a wire. Grab the condulet. We'll attach it to the existing run using a couple connectors. With your free hand, grab one of the connectors. Put it on the hub of the condulet. Same deal for the second connector. Put it on the other hub. Awesome! Next, lift the condulet and slide the connector over the end of the branch run. Nice! Now grab the screwdriver and tighten the connector screw. That's it. I'll take the screwdriver. The NEC also requires that we install conduits after every 360 degrees of branch run bends. We've got a dead straight run here, so we're good to move on. Solid job. Next, we need to support the conduit within 3 feet on either side. We've already got this threaded rod at 100 feet, but we need one more on the other side. I'll add one at 103 feet using an actuated fastener tool. Ready? Shot! And here comes the next piece of conduit. All set. Grab the overhead conduit clip. Press and hold the trigger to squeeze the overhead conduit clip. Now position it around the conduit and rod, right where mine is, and release. Good! The conduit's level and the support's attached. Great work supporting that condulet. Back to it. Check it out. I'm going to install and support 4 more pieces of conduit. All set. Now to complete the installation. Let's make our way to the 2100 box. Here's the stub running into the box. Before we connect it to the branch run, we've got to make sure they're nicely aligned. Lift the stub to bring it level with the conduit. Grab the coupling and slide it onto the end of the conduit. Now, grab the screwdriver and tighten the left side screw most of the way. Great! Next, grab the stub and slide it into the coupling. You got it! Let's check that everything's level. Put the torpedo level on the stub. Perfect! All right, the branch run's complete. Time for the final quality checklist. Let's see now. Yep. Done. Oh, yes. All set here. Great work installing a 150-foot branch run, including the condulet at 100 feet. Congratulations! You just earned a gold medal. Grab it to unlock it.